I don't think these niggas understand. When I say the rap game Larry Bird, I just mean the rap game Larry Bird. Rap game Larry Bird, and these niggas ain't fucking with Larry Bird. So rap game Larry Bird, man. Like it's not, man. Tell these niggas what rap game Larry Bird mean before these niggas.
White flip flops looking like a panda. Everybody know that snuggles feel like MC Hammer. These hoes can't touch me, not even with a stick. Just like a booger, I'm the one that they pick. All these hoes love me, but a nigga ugly. I guess it's cause a nigga focused on his money. All I want is cash, all you smoke is hash. Throwing all your weed in the motherfucking trash. I'm smoking on blunts, papers, bones, then writing all these fucking ghetto rap songs in my motherfucking booth that was made by my brother. These niggas spread the word like it's motherfucking butter. Squeeze her like a udder. Yo, bitch is a cow. Guess what? Hit her with the fucking pow pow. Or the bang bang. You get what I mean? Talking about the sex punchline, Charlie Sheen. 2.5 men. That's what she say about my dick. And when I come, guess what? It's super quick. And just like that, bitch, I'm gone. You'll never see me again. So go and talk about your friend. Young Snuggles, all these bitches know my name. And I'm not a black rapper talking about cars that change. Cause a nigga don't got it. No money in my pocket. But I'm trying to become the fucking trending topic. It's not gonna work, so I guess I'll make these ladies twerk. And try to stick my dirty fingers up inside these skirts. And niggas so perverted. Your girl get deserted. Hopping out the beamer feeling like John Cena. And everybody know these niggas won't get in the arena with a nigga like me. Cause I'm crazy, lazy. Police so mad they could never ever taste me. I'm going in the whip like a fucking slave. And I dig your ass up, then piss on your grave. Cause a boy like an animal, eat him like a cannibal. And I'm with this bitch, she got a molly in her danimals. Rap game, riff raff, hoes need to take a bath. Everybody knows that was coming in, he bring a wrath. Like the terror, hit him with the error. The same shit that you motherfucking scared of. A nigga like me, you would never wanna see. I might hit you with the gun and laugh happily. Stepping on the block with a gun on my waist. Straight face, you should know a damn nutcase when you see one. Cause I'm chewing on a honey bun, smoking on a blunt, licking bitches on the cut. Bitch, I'll show you how to stunt. Bitch, I'll show you how to fall. Bitch, I'll take a girlfriend and never ever call after I hit her. I never miss her, I never diss her. I just take her to my room and roll up a swisher. She smoking, she choking. These bitches no controller, like a motherfucking game with no controller. And I'm rolling weed like a baby fucking stroller. You rolling, you strolling, I'm trolling. These hoes don't know that I'm freestyling. They can never match this flow. Just to let you know, you can never match this fucking flow. That was a freestyle. I wasn't even trying.
My ignorant ass girl was talking shit to me about cheating. I was like, do you remember when I met you? I had a girl. Me and you used to fuck around behind her back. She thought you fixed me, bitch?